A medical clinic in Northwest Florida will be back open this morning after being closed for several hours on Wednesday.
Well, the White Wilson Medical Center in Fort Walton Beach shut down after a man who had recently traveled overseas came into the clinic with flu-like symptoms. News 5's Brian Clerkley is live this morning at the clinic to tell us about the closure and concerns over the coronavirus. Good morning, Brian.
Good morning, Bill and Jessica. Now, officials here at the clinic say that they took the proper steps to clean the clinic so patients have nothing to worry about. Now, right now, only the CDC can truly test for the coronavirus strain. If you have traveled abroad and have flu-like symptoms, don't immediately go to the hospital or a clinic. Now, call the Florida Department of Health at 850-833-9065 for help. They will point you in the right direction. Now, you can find that number on your screen or on our website, WKRG.com. Just click on the coronavirus crisis banner. Live here in Fort Walton Beach, I'm Brian Clerkley, WKRG News 5.
And if you have our free WKRG News 5 app, you were the first to learn about the situation at the clinic. That app is free for Apple and Android devices.
Well, meanwhile, the Mobile County Health Department is taking steps to educate the public about the coronavirus. Health officials say there are no known cases of the virus in Alabama.
But there is some misconception spreading on the Gulf Coast. News 5's Katerina Lukatich is live this morning outside the Mobile County Health Department with more on the confusion surrounding the virus. Good morning, Katerina.
Hey, good morning, Bill and Jessica. Coronavirus has become a scary word, but there actually are several different strains of coronavirus. Some of them are pretty common, and they're more similar to a typical cold. It is the new strain of coronavirus that originated in China that has health officials concerned, mostly because it is new and health officials are still learning how it spreads. But right now, there's nothing to be concerned about here. There are no cases of the Wuhan strain here locally or across Alabama, but it's something health leaders are keeping a close eye on because it is still unclear how easily the virus is spreading between people.
If we see person to person spread, or spread to people outside your immediate contacts, that's when we get concerned, because then we sort of lose our ability to contain it.
Right now, the biggest concern is for people who have recently traveled to China. The Alabama Department of Health says if you've been to China and feel sick with a fever, cough, or shortness of breath, you should seek medical attention right away. But call the doctor or emergency room ahead of time, telling them about your travel and to avoid contact with others. Right now, local health departments can't test for the Wuhan strain of coronavirus. That's something only the CDC can do. Reporting live at the Health Department, Katerina Lukatich, WKRG News 5.